Imagine turning micro movements in the NASDAQ market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping NASDAQ futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast-paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. Good morning, Timbo. How are you this morning? Hopefully continuing the green streak. I am flat. The market has done nothing. Absolutely nothing. I did have a trade right here, but I would have had to break even right at that level, which is where it reversed. There was no point in taking it. It was like 5 ticks away. So I didn't take it. But that's all I've had. Shoot, I'm tired. I was up at like 5 something this morning. Oh man, I'm exhausted. I don't know what it is, but it's like however I start the week as far as like my sleep goes, that's how it ends. I did not start the week that great, and so my sleep schedule has been off all week and I've been sleepy all week. So a nap again today. Usually we reset on the weekends. Let me draw. Right. Very low volume today. Practically no volatility. We had a huge opening candle and, you know, basically nothing since. That's the name of this market. There's the open candle there. There's the news candle from 7:30, which I put the wrong time in the Discord news reminder. My bad. My Forex Factory was reset on my phone, basically. So that's my bad. But yeah, we've basically done nothing since the opening candle. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? All right, I am trading the Apex account and the Top Step account today because we only have 6 trading days left for both of those. I kind of need to do 2 contracts on Top Step. No, I'm probably just gonna do 1 contract today just for like this will be like a week of trading volume only, and then we'll have to start going back to the 25% on Monday is what we're gonna have to do. Even though I've made very few adjustments all week, really. It's kind of a just in case type of thing. Just give me 1 extra day. Dropped further than I thought it would. We're below where we changed to an uptrend over here, so no point in taking it. I would have to break even right there at the yellow line. I'm going to turn my volume of the mic up just a little because I was watching my playback yesterday and I realized I speak so much lower than like everybody I watch on YouTube. So if it's too loud, just let me know. But I did just like gradually turn it up a little bit. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? But yeah, if it's too loud, just please let me know. Because I even noticed like on the playbacks of my regular videos, like I will usually turn my volume on my computer up to 100 just so I can hear, you know, what it sounds like. And I'm like, oh, that's loud enough. Not realizing that a phone is not really that loud and most people watch on their phones. So then I'll watch the playback of my video and then I watch somebody else's and I'm like, God dang, they are loud as hell. So, oh, okay. Yeah, let me turn it up. I know you guys said something before, and that's why I put the gain filter. The gain filter is on 30. Like it's on the highest it can go. Let's see. But yeah, hopefully this helps. And then if I need to turn the music down, just let me know. I just know I don't talk as much as other people do sometimes. So I just want the background music to be there during my times of silence. It's fine today or right now. Okay. I just turned it on. Okay, perfect. I just turned it up. It is freezing. I'm still surprised. It went from 70 something, I think 76 degrees to 33 in 2 days. Really in one day, because it went, I think the day after the 76 degrees, it was like 39 or something ridiculous. And now it's cold all over again. All right, come on, let's get away from the levels that tell me that the market is doing nothing. The weather's been very weird. It has. It really has. I was like ready to put all my, because I have one of these, but then I have a bunch of, you know, long sleeve shirts, but it's so cold that my long sleeve shirts are not enough. That's why I just throw this on for the stream. And then when I get off the stream and I'm laying down, then I'll just put on like a long sleeve shirt and get under the covers. But listen, it's just so fucking cold. 167, 69. I am looking to sell right here off the VWAP and off the zone if it pushes down. What a terrible feel. All right, got a win in there. Well, actually, it wasn't a terrible fill. I actually got filled better than I should have, but I almost I almost got stopped out at break even, which would have pissed me off because had the order been where it was supposed to be, I wouldn't have gotten filled at break even, basically. That's all good. We got the win. I got like, I was only 1 point better. I thought it was 2. I think it was more than that. But whatever, we got the win. Now this is where, if this one sets up properly, I'm probably not going to take it because this will be the trade that I lost at the end of the session yesterday. And I feel like I don't have enough data to know whether I need a level attached or not. That was the first time it lost without a level attached, even though it fit the volume requirements. So yeah, if it sets up properly, I'm not gonna take it. And it just didn't set up properly anyway, so cool. 278. Oh, I got hair in my eye. Oh no. Oh, please get out. All right. Also, I did kind of chance this one because we do have medium impact news coming. However, I think I said this a couple of days ago. I think with medium impact news, I can go up to 2 minutes before like I can on low impact, but high, I do still need to stay away for 7 minutes before. So, and that trade happened at 8:56. I've been monitoring it. Don't you worry. I have been monitoring it and it's been working out, going, like I said, all the way up to 2 minutes before medium. So let me go get some water real quick and I'll be right back. All right, well, there's some volume. Oh my God, look at that candle. Oh, it looks so much worse than it is. It's only like, oh no. No, yes, it's horrible. That's like 120 points. There's a 5-minute chart. This is why I tell people who only want to pay attention to high impact news, medium can make something shake, okay? It did all of that at the start of the candle at 9 o'clock. Oh my God, I forgot to change the overnight levels. Let me do that now. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm just getting back. What system is that? Good morning, Bounce God. I had a feeling this wasn't going to be medium impact, baby, because there's nothing medium about it. Hold on. 21,883, I think that says. You got the reversal up for 402. Nice. What are you looking at? Oh, welcome, Merchant Russ. Thank you for the sub. Welcome to the family. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Bounce God. Like Janelle said, do you mean, or that wasn't Janelle, that was San, I'm sorry. Like San said, what system, what do you mean? Do you mean what type of charts am I trading, or? All right, this is still a little too much. Janelle, yes, a win is a win. Were we not just pushing the highs earlier? Weren't we pushing the highs when I got on? I know I'm not tripping. We were, so we've pushed the highs and the lows today. Okay. All right. Oh, I don't really like this yet. Yeah, no. Yeah, there's nothing medium about this news at all. This is insane. Sand said, watch it drop right back down. You just lost 200. Wants to push the highs in it. It's insane. A million. Yeah, basically 30 seconds ago. Like, what the hell is going on? This is crazy. All right, we just hit the prior open at 764.50. I don't even like the way the candles are painting still. Oh my gosh. Janelle, do not open up your brokerage accounts. Y'all. High of this candle, 905. Low, 732. Almost 200 points. Is that not complete insanity? I was supposed to get in that, but I just don't feel comfortable yet, honestly. I really don't. While I wait for the market to slow down a little bit, give me a second because I want to see something. Okay. I thought so. I need to change that. Okay. I would have lost that trade back here if I would have taken it. But I was just looking at this the other day and I still was a little confused as to what I wanted. So seeing that loss makes me know exactly what I want. So good thing I set out of it. All right. Let's see. Looks like... All right. I think I'm okay to trade now. But not really. I kind of still don't like it. This was a valid setup right here, this pullback. That's the only other one. What the fuck is this? Oh, I gotta draw that. So we did nothing all morning and now we do this. But at least we've kind of broken out of that choppy little area. So maybe we'll actually see the movement that we want to see. Maybe, just maybe. The only problem is I definitely, with the volatility right now, I definitely don't want to take trades at levels I have to break even, just because it could literally hit the level and just bounce faster than I can break even. Like this one, for instance, I would have to break even there. Yeah. Would I have gotten filled there? No. No, I wouldn't have gotten filled at either one of those. Yeah, the volatility is super high. So this trade down and that trade up, there would have been no fill. What is our 110, but kicks me out losing. Are you using market order, saying? FOMC speaker at 30. Yeah. Mine says at 11 o'clock. My TP. Janelle said, thank you, NQ. Bye. Nice. How long were you in the gold trade for? Did you have it on since pre-market? It's just moving so freaking weird. A lot of these, the zigzags aren't even attached to the right bar either, which also kind of sucks. I started keeping track of that too, though, because I think I can get away with it now, but I'm not sure. I just gotta collect more data to know. Only 15 minutes set up. Oh, nice. You got Goolsby at 10:30? How come? Oh, yeah. Wait, why is it not showing there? I probably have to refresh my screen, but it's gonna mess my charts up, so I'm not gonna do it. But thank you for telling me, because I can see that it's on Forex Factory, but I guess the last time it pulled data into the charts, it didn't have it there. So thank you, Amelia, for telling me. Because the news indicator just tells me the monetary policy report that's tentative, and then Kugler speaking at 11 o'clock. That's all that it tells me. And the consumer credit, but. Oh, I see. On Forex Factory, it says release time comes as a surprise from source. Event added to calendar 68 minutes before release time. Okay, because I'm like, that's not showing. Does it make sense? We are at the major support level right now. I think that's the major one. Yeah, it is. Good morning, New. How are you this morning? How have you been? Amelia. Okay. Yeah, see, this thing, I feel like this indicator is supposed to refresh every so often. I think it may be like every 15 minutes. So I'm actually surprised that it doesn't have it on the chart. Oh no. Okay. I have it to refresh every 2 hours. I'm gonna have to change it to 1 hour just for stuff like this. Yeah, so that's the problem. Yeah, at least you weren't in the trade at that time. Up 1470 from Asia altogether. Ooh, nice. I love it. I love it. Waiting for a train for another hour. I should have brought my MacBook to work. You've been good just working. Understood. Understood. You should have, Trenches. You didn't think you was gonna be waiting that long, Trenches? Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the refresh to an hour every hour. Then it'll put it on the screen. So I was gonna say this indicator does a pretty good job of making sure everything's on there since it sources directly from Forex Factory, but that's why. I don't know if I would have gotten filled, but I just kind of zoned out just now. Don't ask me why. But this buy was definitely a buy right there. The first one right here was not, but this one was definitely a buy. Now, would I've gotten filled? It's kind of hard to tell, honestly. Close of the bar was 8.07. The entry would have been at 8.19. 1.2 seconds, I probably would have gotten filled, but who knows? Yeah, most of these entries are literally no fills. It's another no fill right there. I've had a lot of that this week, and I mean, I get no fills almost every day, but there's been a lot this week. I don't know, maybe volume. Volume only is good, but not good at the same time because the momentum is just too much sometimes for me to even get the damn fill I'm looking for. But I just love how I'm now able to play off of the zone. I've been saying this for so long. Like, if I could just figure out how to take trades off of the zone, it would be so much better. And now I can. Janelle, I think she did. She posted it in the Discord. I'm almost certain. Oh my God. This is a trade I just took out. I haven't seen this really work out very much, and you can see the zigzag changes immediately, and yeah, and it loses. I don't think I've found anything that works for that one yet. Not at all. Zigzag's not attached properly. Doesn't matter. The zigzag just messed up anyway. $563. All right, we've beat that out. All right, we're about to change to a downtrend here. So we're in between zones, or maybe not. I think we just, oh, we missed it by a tick. Well, at least the zone by a tick. The zigzag not attaching just has such an impact on the trade, and it's so weird. All right. Got a few minutes before I need to stop for the speaker. I don't want to take that now. And we pushed too hard anyway. You didn't see? Yeah, she posted that, and I think she posted the cheaper one that she got. Because I told her, I think she said she got it for as a birthday gift for herself. And I asked her, I was like, does it at least have refills? And she said, yeah. You missed the move up. And listen, things are happening so fast. You just don't know what's going to happen right now. It looks like we're trying to just do a huge pullback for the downtrend, though. We're kind of trading back within yesterday's range. These spikes are just so random. See, I don't even know how the zigzag wasn't attached to the right bar there, because it wasn't an equal low of the reversal bar in the previous bar, but the zigzag's not attached. And I seen this while I was back testing too, so it's very interesting. And it would have lost. You got faked out on that move. Ouch. What are you, what's your P&L now? All right, we got a 1-bar pullback here. I've noticed that the 1-bar pullbacks happen the most when volatility is very high. Alright, oh, that's that level, okay. Good to know. This is why I wanted to see if the pullbacks would work really well today, so I can start paying attention to the divergence in the direction of the trend, because when we have really high volatility days, like ever since the 9 o'clock news, what usually happens is we create the pullback on the time-based chart looks more like a divergence trade at one of the half trends or at the zone down here, like this, for a nice push up. But I can't take those yet. Not yet. And we're doing things too close to break-even levels, like this trade too close to the break-even level. everything is too close to break-even levels. Same with this one. So this one was close. This one was literally one tick away from breaking even. Or the break-even level. All right, we got... Well, actually, we're about to stop now because I'm going to stop at 9:28. My face. Because what is this? Losing big. One more loss. I'm calling it a day. I got you. Yeah, are you using market orders or limit orders? Because I know you were saying that you're going well beyond your stop loss. I have to remember. Let me write a note to myself. Change news ND to 1 hour. Refresh, because I will forget it. You use limit orders? You didn't buy? I thought you did, Apple Jacks. So what was the one that you showed us? That was the cheaper version? I thought you bought the James Bond one. Or is she talking about the other one that you wanted to get? Not buy it for me. Yeah, that's interesting that you're using limit orders and you're getting that kind of slippage. I mean, I know limit orders can only save us but so much, but still, for you to get that much slippage. Like, I only get that much slippage because of the... well, I do sometimes, actually. But the trade has to go against me, like, within 1 second, pretty much, for it to do that for me. For the most part. All right, looks like we might have found a level of support. This was support yesterday. All right. But we might break it, so let's see. Volume averaging around 500 order in 30 seconds. I have to keep that in mind in the future. Oh, yes, and what do you mean how many orders is in a 1 minute candle? That's what you mean? If it's more than 500, then you don't trade? Is that what you mean? Well, it depends. I got we're on the cheaper side. Oh, the extremely expensive one you left alone. Miss Engineer, you better get it. Get it. Or, okay, what's a trading goal that you have where if you hit it, you'd be willing to get it? Oh, wait, something. Oh, shoot. What the hell? Oh, that just pissed me off. My damn order panel went away for a second. I almost missed the trade. I was going to click the close button and I'm like, wait, it's not there. I must have accidentally clicked it off or something. Jeez Louise. I almost missed it. I almost freaking missed it. That would have made me so mad. So that was a play off of the zone. The strength of the zone helped to push it up a little bit. Now, it's almost looking like for the most part, well, no, not that one. Those match. Those match. Gotta look at that one. Alrighty. Let's move this up here. Got about 20 minutes left in the session. You'd have to hit lotto numbers. Oh, you're extremely focused on getting. Okay, I understand. Listen, I totally understand. Told you my highest debt, I was $40,000 in debt. I think I was spending, my debt bills were like $800 a month by themselves. And that's when I had enough. That is when I had enough. All right, that one's invalid no matter what. Two orders within 30 seconds of. This is considered weak volume. Oh, okay. Saying, okay, that makes sense. Because you basically are trying to scalp momentum like I am. So you don't want to see less than 500 orders. Got you. Got you. Got you. That makes sense. Not your dog chewed up most of Applejacks. Why she treating you like that today? So I did not follow my rules, just my emotions making dumb decisions. So, okay, yes, please stop. It's definitely bearish this morning. See you, Janelle. Have a great weekend. Be safe. We'll see you Monday. Oh, not that was how she exited, baby. Telling you can have some piss her dog chewed on. What an exit. Oh my gosh. A mess. 1685, 356. A mess. So saying we basically are kind of doing the same thing where like we're looking for a specific volume pattern because all right, if this works out, then I'm gonna have to go back to doing this. And it did work out. All right, cool. This volume pattern, I wasn't sure if I had enough data for, to be honest with you. Oh shit, my charts are gonna freeze now. It's like basically the only pattern that I'm okay with the swing. All right, so the swing of this, even though the zigzag was messed up, is like 1,046 and this is 946. So there's not enough volume in this swing to tell me the sellers are actually taking over. But whenever we're counter trend, the only time it seems to work out is if the volume of this reversal bar is less than the last two, and it was. It hasn't set up a whole lot, but so far, every time it has set up, it won. So because of the good day I'm having, I'm like, I don't know if I want to take it, knowing, that I only have like maybe 4 examples so far, but literally it's one every time. So, and I definitely would have gotten filled. We were far enough. You can see here, we were far enough from the zone down here, so we had more than enough room to move. So I guess I can put it back because I used to have it on my cheat sheet, but then I just took it off because I'm like, you know what? I think I'd rather just look for the other ones instead. Like this would be setting up again. Up now it looks like the volume might spike too high. Now it just spiked too high. But yeah, I literally took it off my cheat sheet because I'm like, Now counter or going with the trend though, if there's less volume in this swing than that one and we pull back, I'm not taking the trade, period. There's just not enough movement. But see, when it's counter trend like that, it's kind of fine because of the way that the volume of the reversal bars happen. And basically the volume of the reversal bars let me know that the buyers are running out of steam. So it's okay to take the trade. But on the other, in the trend way, it's a no. It is a big no-no. So it's good to know it'll still work out. Very good to know. That's how bad you're trying to get, girl. You ain't going to Chick-fil-A? Oh, you serious? You got some Chick-fil-A money? Is that what you asked yourself? Yes and no, I didn't risk it. But I am okay with taking it from now on though. Like I just needed to see it happen one more time. But you know what, Applejacks, you have the right attitude though. How have you estimated about how long it's going to take you to get rid of your debt? Oh, this is in the wrong spot. I forgot to move it. It's there. Man, that sale was perfect. So perfect. Mm-mm-mm. I have to fix my freaking black pen. I hate when these pens, there's like the bubble of no ink. I was trying to fix it the other day, but it was not working. Normally I could just like bang it real hard on the desk and it fixes, but it did not. The ink did not move down. All right, there's the break I was looking for. $72, there's less volume there. 134. Too much volume in that swing. Good morning, Pred. How are you this morning? Should take 12 to 16 months depending on how aggressive I get. That's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. Yeah, to sacrifice for 12 to 16 months and then just be free, ain't nothing like it. Nothing like it at all. Especially when you don't have kids. It's like, all my money is mine. I can't change that. Who said Parmesan and black pepper on scrambled eggs? Baby, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. I've only ever done like just regular shredded cheese. Shredded cheese or like American cheese when I was way younger, but as an adult, just shredded cheese. Ooh, connection lost, TPT. But yeah, it wasn't me, baby doll. Shoot, I haven't had eggs in 5 years. I wouldn't even know what to do. I was craving some chicken the other day. I'd be ready to risk it all sometimes. Like just one little piece won't hurt. Like I'd be craving it so much sometimes I'll have a whole, I swear to y'all, I will have a whole dream about eating chicken. I had a dream, like, I think this was like maybe last month or something. And we had some kind of family event. I just kept talking about how I just wanted to try the chicken. And my mom was like, no, you can't. You know, you can't eat chicken. I'm like, Mom, man, let me tell y'all something. That chicken was so good in my dream and it satisfied my craving in real life. I ain't gonna lie. No. Mm-mm. No, I can't eat eggs or chicken. I'm 5 years clean. Oh, pred, not me. Not a bubble person. Kids, that's why the pressure is on me. Listen, kids change things. They do. They do, they do. Especially when you're a good parent, you want your kids to have what you didn't have or give them certain opportunities that you weren't able to have. It's a lot of pressure to do that. A lot. Oh, that's that monetary. I'm like, why is this news thing going off? All right. Oh, fuck. 68, 434, 94. So that swing over there is 696. My wife by the time we were engaged too. See? Progression. I'm not gonna lie, like we didn't have a hard life at all. At all. We grew up in the suburbs. I only spent like the first year and a half of my life living in the city. Grew up in the burbs, private school until I think I switched to public school in 3rd grade. And it wasn't that my parents couldn't afford it. I just wanted to go to public school. I felt like private school did what it was supposed to do. I skipped a grade. I was supposed to skip 2. I was very smart. I was in gifted programs. Was able to graduate high school early, but my parents didn't let me. Well, more so my donor didn't let me. So yeah, we never really went without or anything like that. I feel like most of what my issues were growing up was more of like the mental and emotional part of it, but like that's about it. And that just pretty much came from one parent, to be honest. But oh, man, why would you do that? But yeah, I still want my kids to have it even better than I did. If I'm being honest, I do. All right, the buyers are weakening. We can see here 389, 963. So I really don't want to look for a buy unless we push beyond this middle. We're at the middle pivot level. So let's see if we can push beyond it with enough volume. And we did. I can't see that 246. I probably shouldn't have taken that. I've been having a feeling. I just looked over this yesterday, but that's okay. I'm still up. That's the only reason why I took it. I think I want... I think I want the volume to have to be more than... I think we're gonna have to do that. I literally just looked at this yesterday. I hate when I look at stuff, but I'm like, I can't make look at this. I can't make a full-blown decision. We're done trading. I'm not dealing with that. We're done here. I can't do that though. I don't know. It's so up in the air. I'm done trading though, just so y'all know. I'm not dealing with that. Let's see. I just want to look at something real quick. B greater than A. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I was just looking at this yesterday, and that would be the first time basically in a week that it is lost. But that's only the third time it's set up as well. So, I don't know. So I'll show you guys I'll explain kind of my thought process on why I don't know. And it could also be that we're trading at the middle pivot level because it is the level that determines if, if we're in an uptrend or downtrend. So I'll look at that as well. So this is basically the pattern right here because I'm done trading. We're going to end green. I'm not dealing with this volatility. All right. So let me zoom in a little bit. And the charts are going to be looking stupid. All right. So here's my thought process with this trade. Like I said, it might be, I feel like I've been able to trade at the middle VWAP though, but maybe the middle pivot level is a little bit different. We'll see. But even though this is jerking back and forth. Okay, so there's more buyers in this swing up than this one. Cool. But then you can see that the sellers start to take over. There is 497 volume in that swing down versus 246 in this one. So the sellers have started to take over. Cool. Now, what makes the biggest difference is that there's a lot of volume in this reversal bar down than this one, which based on the volume of the swing lets me know that, the sellers are really coming in. Okay. And so the volume of this reversal bar down, I really hate how this is shifting back and forth, but it's because of the price line. The volume of that reversal bar down was 347 compared to 281 over here. So the combination of the volume of this bar and the swing of that, the volume of that swing lets me know the sellers are in control. So what I think might end up happening, usually what I'm looking for is, all right, if the sellers are that much in control, we need more buyers basically to push beyond the sellers and what they're trying to do. So I typically want the volume of this candle to be more than this one. That would confirm that, hey, the buyers have said, F you sellers, we're continuing up. That did not happen. There was less volume here, but the way I have the rule written right now is either there needs to be more volume in this candle versus this one, or we need to have the support of a level, which you can see the middle pivot level is there. So it doesn't really matter what the level is. It could be VWAP, it could be a rotation level, it can be one of the open high low closes, but this time it was the middle pivot level. So what I'm going to have to do is just basically go back through all of my data, and I'm going to have to look at all the trades that happen at the middle pivot level, number one. And then I'm also going to have to look at all of the trades that happen at the middle VWAP level to make sure I don't need to not trade at those levels. I think the middle VWAP is fine, but I think the middle pivot level is an issue. Yeah, I think it's the problem, but it could just be that I have to have more volume in this reversal candle than that one, and that the level doesn't matter, because so far in the data that I have, there's 6 trades total where the volume of this candle is not more than that one. And this is the first loss. There's 3 wins, this loss, a break even, and a trade where I would not get filled. So it's still not enough data, but I only have a week's worth of data. So it might just be where, like, hey, from here on out, I'm just going to kind of hold out unless there's more volume in that candle, then I will take it. But if it's not, then I'll probably just hold off until I get enough data, because I feel like everything else I pretty much have enough data for. So we'll see. We will see. Always gotta romance the lady. That was me on the Parmesan. Ah, see, it was Trader's chick. Not I knew it was a long name. I'm weak. Put that on top and put it on sourdough bread with avocado and bacon. Bless my soul. Janelle is gone. All right, let me show y'all the accounts. I'm pretty sure I just took 3 trades. Yes, I took 3 trades. Why is my followers doing this? I don't understand, you guys. I don't. That one I got in at the right time. This one was the stop order, right? You know what? I don't even give a shit anymore. It's gonna get on my damn nerves. All right. Anyway, so yeah, I took 3 trades, 1, 2, and lost the last one. I'm pretty sure every trade that I sat out of was no fills, except that one trade with the counter trend, that I now know I can solidify the rule on that one and just take it. So yeah, pretty much nothing until we had the breakout of the 9 o'clock candle, and that was kind of that. Let me show you guys the accounts, but first let me go to the trade performance of the week, and then I'll tell you what each account is looking like for the week. Summary. All right, so on the Apex account that I just started trading today, profit of $80. I only traded it today. The Top Step account, oh, I started trading that yesterday. The 0695 Top Step account, I gained 175 on, and then the 4716, the one that renewed, I don't know, whenever it renewed, I gained 419 on that one. So going into next week, I'm so annoyed with how much I lost on that trade. Anyway, going into next week, I will be mainly trading these 2 accounts, and I will be multiplying. I'll probably start off with 2 contracts each because they both renew on the 15th and the 16th, and we got a nice little ways to go. So a little less than, or a little more than halfway to go on this account, but this account needs a lot. So yeah, we're gonna do 2 contracts all next week, I believe. Let's see. No, I'm flipping over. 172. So on the Top Step account, basically next week I need to be plus 13 trades. But like I said, I really just want to get back to full drawdown, if anything, which won't take that much. It'll take more like 7 trades if I'm doing 2 contracts. And what I mean by plus 7, like if I win 14, lose 7, that kind of thing. The Apex account, I'm about 10 trades away. plus 10 trades. So yeah, we'll see what next week does. Hopefully we have some decent volume and volatility and not these super choppy moving into super erratic high volatility markets. That's not ideal at all to trade whatsoever. So yeah, hopefully we have something a little bit more normal. See you, Apple Jacks, and thank you, thank you. But yeah, so not a bad day, not a bad week whatsoever. I feel good about this volume only strategy, and I feel pretty good about the pullback so far. So probably this weekend I'm gonna spend time working on the divergence in the direction of the trend so that I can add that in. Because like I said, on most days where I'm not getting a whole lot of the pullbacks, or if the pullbacks are blowing past my entry, I should be able to get some of the divergence in the direction of the trend trades in, but we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in today and all this week. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.